For the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Vivo S50 Pro, a smartphone that's creating serious hype in the market. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Vivo S50 Pro looks absolutely premium. It comes with a sleek and slim body, curved edges, and a glass finish that gives it a flagship feel. The phone is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it perfect for everyday use. Vivo has clearly focused on style here, and it definitely shows. Now let's talk about the display. The Vivo S50 Pro features a large AMOLED display with vibrant colors and deep blacks. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or scrolling through social media, the experience feels smooth and immersive. Thanks to the high refresh rate, everything looks super fluid and responsive. Moving on to performance, this phone is powered by a powerful processor that can easily handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps without lag. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks is seamless, and overall performance feels fast and reliable. So if you're a gamer or a heavy user, this phone won't disappoint. Now the camera, one of the biggest highlights of the Vivo S series. The Vivo S50 Pro comes with an impressive camera setup that captures stunning photos. The main camera delivers sharp details, accurate colors, and great dynamic range. Portrait shots look professional, and low-light photography is also quite impressive. For selfie lovers, Vivo has packed this phone with a high-quality front camera. You get clear, bright, and detailed selfies, perfect for social media. The beauty modes and AI enhancements make your photos look even better without overdoing it. Battery life is another strong point. The Vivo S50 Pro comes with a large battery that easily lasts a full day on normal usage. And when you need to charge, fast charging support gets you back to 100% quickly, so you're never stuck waiting. On the software side, the phone runs on the latest version of Android with Vivo's custom UI. It's smooth, user-friendly, and packed with useful features. You also get customization options to personalize your experience. Now let's talk about connectivity and extra features. The Vivo S50 Pro supports 5G, ensuring faster internet speeds and better network performance. It also includes features like an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and enhanced audio quality for a complete package. But no phone is perfect. While the Vivo S50 Pro does a lot of things right, some users might feel that it could have offered more in terms of camera versatility or stereo speakers. Still, for its price range, it offers a very balanced experience. So, should you buy the Vivo S50 Pro? If you want a stylish design, great cameras, smooth performance, and reliable battery life, then this phone is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to